This LG OLED Evo AI G4 4K Smart TV delivers incredible pictures that capture the depth and beauty of every scene. It uses 4K OLED Evo technology with self-lit pixels, giving you perfect contrast and 100% colour accuracy. Each pixel is individually lit, meaning that hues are perfectly balanced, making your TV brighter without sacrificing clarity. This is a huge plus as everything on screen will be clear and bright, which means you don't have to settle for missing important details in those darker moments. The brain behind it all is the powerful Alpha 11 AI processor. This is LG's most advanced processor yet, and it works to give you unmatched pictures and sound quality. The AI director processor brings colours closer to what the filmmaker was trying to achieve, while AI super upscaling brings a new lease of life to those golden oldies. You won't miss a single whisper either, as AI voice remastering delivers clearer dialogue. And with Brightness Booster Max, you'll get stunning images by using an improved light boosting algorithm and light control architecture, turning up the brightness by 150%. AI also helps out with the brightness of the TV. It cleverly detects the light in your space and it adjusts the picture accordingly so that you can see everything clearly. If you'd like more info about this LG OLED TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.